Hey everyone, it's Mr. Fulfillment, and we just survived another Black Friday and Cyber Monday. But peak season is nowhere near done yet, and because of that, we are currently navigating one of the most crucial times of year, a moment marked by high stress, pressure, and fatigue. So while the adrenaline of Cyber Week may have worn off, brands and 3PLs still have weeks worth of heavy volumes to push out the door. Teams are starting to feel exhausted. Your temp workers may still be learning the ropes. All the while, your managers are trying to keep up momentum and morale without blowing up payroll. While most warehouses can clearly see their order backlog and targeted goals, it's the visibility and insight into your people that proves to be the most challenging. That without the right performance metrics, managers are forced to guess on who's keeping the operation running smoothly and who may need additional support. And as order volumes spike, that lack of clarity can often lead to bottlenecks, slower throughput, and unnecessary labor spend. So on today's video, we're going to take a look at the human side of the warehouse. Specifically, we're going to dive into some of the tools designed by ShipHero to help you manage people, performance, and labor. First up is Workforce Hero, something many of you are already familiar with. But for those of you that aren't, it is the essential tool every warehouse needs to connect your clocked labor data directly to real warehouse activities. Everything from picking to packing to inventory and special projects now shows granular hourly data per employee, so you can see exactly how much time was spent on productive warehouse tasks versus idle time, taking away any and all guesswork, leaving you with the cold hard facts. Secondly, is the performance dashboard for your pickers and packers. Now this tool doesn't just measure picks or packs per hour, which by the way can be a very misleading KPI. Instead, it evaluates the actual effort of the work being done. It compares the recorded time for each task against the complexity of that specific order or batch, which means you can see individually who is performing at, above, or below calculated averages, which leads to more fair, more precise, and unbiased performance standards. Next in line, we have the hospital function that has three main features. First, it allows your pickers to flag problem locations for incorrect or out-of-stock SKUs, which then brings the issue to the inventory team for proper investigation and resolution. And third, it flags that location as non-pickable, preventing anyone else from being redirected there. Now, these three keys are crucial to prevent long, drawn-out delays and interruptions to your picking flow. And last, but certainly not least on my list, we have our smart hardware solutions like Pick-to-Light and Pack-to-Light. Now these tools not only reduce decision fatigue and missed picks, but can also virtually eliminate the learning curve and orientation time for new or temporary employees, while also boosting throughput by 30, 50, or 100% or more. Beyond just the data, these tools can also be used to help gamify the floor. Using features like the live shipping board, you can turn daily output into a transparent leaderboard, which can help spark friendly competition, motivate the teams to beat their personal bests, and keep morale high. But remember, technology brings clarity, but leadership builds culture. So stay tuned for part 2 dropping next week, where I'll be joined by real warehouse managers who will be sharing some of their best strategies and insights for fighting fatigue and keeping teams engaged. So make sure to give us a like and follow so you don't miss it. Till next time.